Hi, my name is Jen Eskridge, and I'm so glad you clicked on Pro Stitcher Designer Basics today. I wanted to tell you a little bit more about the classes included in this bundle. They're all hosted by me. They're all video, learn at your own pace, learn on demand. Once you purchase the bundle, you'll always have access to these classes. So what exactly is in the classes? We'll cover all of the basic tools, the ribbon bar across the top. We'll make designs, as opposed to just learning, hey, modify modifies artwork. We're going to modify something specific and make something really cool. So once you start getting in and learning some of the elements and the tools, you'll find that you also will probably just go on a tangent and say, wait, if I had this tool and this tool, I could combine it and have an even neater design. So we'll tackle the designs, we'll tackle the tools, we'll tackle the features. And I've been using Pro Stitcher since about 2020 when it was released. At that time I worked for Pro Stitcher, and I'm excited to share that some of the items in my classes aren't even in the instruction manual. We worked to develop certain tools and perks and little tweaks like overlap path and some of the combined features. So I do know that some of my classes cover topics that aren't even in the Pro Stitcher Designer Manual, and I'm super happy to be able to share them with you, to share what they do, and I hope you will enjoy this class and enjoy the designs you make in Pro Stitcher Designer Basics.